Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So here are my tips for a happy 2025. So happy New Year to all my subscribers as well. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe as usual. First of all, would be look for shares that pay dividends. Now, if you don't know what a dividend is, it's a small amount of money that you get in exchange for holding the share. Not all companies do, some might depend on how they performed that year. So you'll need to look at the history. Revolut does allow you to do this, see what the dividend yield is, and see what they are paying or have paid out in the past. Dividends are usually paid every 3 months, although it can vary. And they're great because it's another source of income for you. So you get the money from dividends and then hopefully make a profit when you sell your share. Next would be look at industries that are up and coming in 2025, such as AI, robotics, tech, anything along that line. Obviously, nothing in this video is financial advice, nothing is guaranteed, but it's a good starting point if you're starting out and are wondering what to invest in. AI is obviously going to be a big thing in the future, so those are definitely shares that are looking worth looking into, look at their history, see what the buy price is like, and if they pay dividends. The next is look at industries that are recession-proof, such as healthcare, especially if you're able to combine those two. So something in health that also uses AI would definitely be an interesting company to look at and see how they performed, see what the analysts are saying. There's various sites you can either get a free or paid membership to with tips on what shares to buy in 2025. So I would recommend looking at something along the lines of health and tech combined. The next, if you maybe have more money to invest, you could invest in a startup if, say, you're in a position where you have extra money and you don't need a quick, fast access to those funds. Or if you're a more experienced investor, Crowdcube is great for that. There's various startup companies that you're able to invest in, and then when they hopefully go public, you can see a return on your investment. One example is actually also a company that I work for that I invested in, Cat in a Flat. So what they do is they provide house and pet services to people who are on holiday or traveling for work for whatever reason. And they give reassurance to the home or pet owners that their pet is looked after, fed, stroked, whatever it may be. And it's also good for sitters as you sometimes get free accommodation and you get paid a small fee as well. That's one example. There have been others that I've invested in um, that have seen a return, but that was a particularly good one, as they did recently get acquired by Rover. So anyone who initially invested did see a good return on their investment there. And you can invest normally from just £10 as well with your debit card. There's minimal fees. I think there is a small processing fee or transaction fee. Also, looking at Revolut is good because they tell you how a share is performing, what the dividend yield is. You can easily see what the history is and if you're buying it at a good price or not. It has tips from other investors that you're able to copy as well. So you don't need to know a lot about investing yourself. And it's pretty easy to do. You can buy fractional shares, I think, from just $1. And if you're on one of the premium plans, the fees are pretty low. I think you do get 3 day trades free per day, and you can do 10 trades per month without fees. I'm on the metal plan, but there are other plans available. Again, I'll put the link below. If you're looking for more advice, see my Facebook page, Make a Mint. I'll put that link below. And as usual, please do like and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another video.